Hi everyone, it's Sunday, February 27th, time for another HideNet Week in Review. I'm Vera Jordick. Starting with the US market, it was very quiet during the week. The main reason was that there were very few hides for offer, but also customers really backed off because they don't want to pay more. A couple of selections managed an extra $1 or so this week, and Texas was one of those. Sales were as high as $33 for seasonal weights. Automotive selections have also been pretty firm, and they added $1 or so. Looking at the cow sector, it also continues to be steady, although bidding was far less this week for cows too. Overall, the feeling is not that much business was done this week. Combined export sales for the week ending February 17th were 493,300, which is down by 16% from the previous week. Combined shipments were also lower, down by 12% at 514,400. Slaughter for the week through Saturday, February 26th was down 2% at 647,000. Turning to Europe, editor Andrea Guolo spent the week at Lineapel providing daily updates for us here at HideNet. While asking prices going into the fair were sharply higher, only some categories actually rose significantly. Various others were just up slightly or not at all. In the UK this week, prices actually lost 5 cents. The English 36 plus ox is selling at £1 5 cents in sterling per kilo, although buyers have a lower target for volume sales. On the other hand, in Ireland, the complicated situation means that sellers can't get any more than €1 per kilo. For European bulls, Andrea says they got some increases and then some origins did not. Southern German bulls were one of the origins to remain unchanged at €1.65 per kilo. European cows are seeing a big difference with what's happening with high quality selections and those intended for the mass market. And in the veal and sheep sector, prices are decidedly higher. In his analysis, Andrea has a lengthy assessment of what's going on in the market for the post-fair period and for purchasing and business. Turning to South America, editor Ronald Guiel says that raw material prices were still stable this week and the average price was steady at $3.49 per kilo. TR1 is also stable at 95 cents per square foot. Much of Latin America saw steady prices and a quiet market in the run-up to next week, which is Carnival. In other news from Brazil, FEMEC is going to have the largest offer for the footwear and leather sector, and Asintical unlocked footwear imports in Porto Alegre that have been stuck at the port for some time. From elsewhere in Latin America, Argentina's apparel and footwear logged the third highest CPI increase year on year. In Mexico, companies have a growing interest in ANPIC. Paraguayan footwear aims for a recovery with 40% growth in 2022. And Uruguay ups its leather exports to Brazil by triple digits back in 2021. So that's all we have for this week. And until next week, good night from HideNet.